Welcome to our comprehensive guide on trade ideas. Holly, your AI-powered ally in trading for 2025. Discover the key features of Holly, analyzing tools, and cutting-edge technology that set it apart. Let's dive into how Holly generates precise trade ideas through its advanced algorithms. It's essential to understand Holly's performance metrics, including kill rate and win rate. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to setting up your trade ideas account for optimal use. Personalize your trading experience by customizing Holly's parameters to fit your strategy. Learn best practices for utilizing Holly for both day trading and swing trading. Stay ahead in the market with real-time alerts and notifications from Holly. Let's explore inspiring case studies of success stories from Holly users. In conclusion, maximize your trading potential in 2025 with Holly as your trusted partner.